Welcome back to Iphy's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make a master tonic remedy for fighting cold, flu, and also to boost your immunity during the cold season. So stay tuned. So to make this remedy, you will need onion. Onion is so good because it is a good source of vitamin C. I also make use of garlic, which I've already peeled. I will be adding ginger. I've already peeled the ginger. Then another wonderful ingredient is turmeric. I also add a pinch of cayenne pepper, star anise, black pepper, cloves. You are free to use any spice or any herbs of your choice. You can also add oregano, thyme, depending on what you want. So I like to cut the onion, the garlic, the ginger and the turmeric into smaller pieces. This is optional. Onion is a great source of vitamin C. It will help to support the immune health. Ginger has some anti-inflammatory effects which will help to soothe sore throat and also for fighting cold. Turmeric contains curcumin which will help to reduce inflammation in the body. You can decide to use powdered turmeric. While garlic is high in sulfur, which is very good for fighting cold and flu. So when I'm done cutting, I'm going to add all the ingredients into the clean jar. So for this fire cider tonic, you can decide to add any spice or herbs that you like. And for the cayenne pepper, you can decide to add more depending on your tolerance. Cayenne pepper will help to add a kick to this fire cider. It will help to open up the airways due to its warming properties, and it will also help to soothe cold symptoms. So for this fire cider tonic, you can decide to remove any ingredient that you don't like and customize it according to your choice. So I'll be making use of apple cider vinegar. So I'm going to add enough apple cider vinegar to cover the ingredient. Apple cider vinegar is so good because it has antimicrobial properties. It will help to promote healthy digestion by balancing the gut bacteria. Cover and leave to sit for about 3 to 4 weeks, and always remember to shake it. So after about 3 weeks, you can now strain to get the liquid and store the liquid in a container. You can take a shot of this fire cider tonic a day. You can decide to mix it with honey, add it to your tea, or even dilute it depending on how you like it. Fire cider tonic will help to build up your immunity so that your body can fight cold and flu. I hope that this video is helpful.
Thank you all for watching.